What up, Civic fam? Welcome back to Irrational Diversions! We love our Hondas, especially the weird, wonderful, and the ones that just won't die. Today, we're talking about a legend. Many thought it was gone forever. The Honda Element. This boxy, utilitarian beast vanished after 2011. But the rumors have swirled for years. Will the Element ever come back? Well, buckle up. Fresh patent leaks from Honda itself are screaming revival. We're talking about a 2027 Element with cool modern twists like hybrid power and a factory-built camper attachment. Let's acknowledge why the Element holds a special place. It wasn't just a car. It was a lifestyle tool. Launched in 2003, it aimed at young, active buyers. It had rubber floors you could hose out, and easily removable rear seats. You could fit a full-size surfboard inside the car. It was rugged. It was versatile. It was brilliant. But then, in 2011, it was gone. Honda cited slow sales. For fans, we lost a true original. The void has been there ever since. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. The new evidence. Honda has been filing some very interesting patents. They show a vehicle that looks uncannily like a modern Element. This first set of patents is for an innovative factory-designed camper attachment. Think glamping, straight from the dealership, but the vehicle itself is the real clue. Notice that boxy, upright silhouette? That chunky, rugged stance? This is the box aesthetic revived! And here's the controversial kicker. The side profile clearly depicts a rear door. It looks distinctly rear-hinged. That's right! The iconic suicide doors might be making a comeback! This is not a random design. This is Honda exploring an adventure-focused vehicle with direct callbacks to the Element's defining features. Coincidence? Highly unlikely. But wait, there's more. Another patent details an adjustable cargo area partition inside a compact truck or SUV. The vehicle in these drawings maintains that rugged, boxy aesthetic. An adjustable cargo system perfectly aligns with the Element's core ethos. Maximum adaptability and utility. This suggests Honda is reviving the entire philosophy of the Element, a vehicle designed to be a versatile tool for active lifestyles. So why would Honda bring it back now? Simple. The market is absolutely screaming for a vehicle like the Element. The original Element was ahead of its time. Now, consumers are ready for its unique blend of practicality and personality. The quirkiest cool again. With the rise of van life and outdoor enthusiasm, that factory camper system patent makes perfect sense. Honda could tap into a massive segment of buyers looking for an affordable, capable, and easy-to-manage adventure vehicle. Now, let's talk about what would power a modern Element. If it's targeting a 2026 or 2027 launch, it's almost certainly going to be electrified. The most likely candidate is a hybrid system, similar to what we see in the current CR-V hybrid. That's a super efficient 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with 2 electric motors. It delivers great torque, fuel economy, and available all-wheel drive. A hybrid Element would offer the best of both worlds. Rugged capability without range, anxiety, and impressive MPG for daily driving. But don't count out a full electric vehicle Element. The boxy shape is ideal for maximizing interior space and fitting a large battery pack for good range. A utilitarian EV would be a perfect halo model for Honda's new Zero series philosophy. If it's coming, will it actually be called the Element? That's a big question. Honda has shown a willingness to bring back beloved names, like the Prelude. Elema isn't out of the question. It carries huge brand recognition and goodwill. However, they might choose a new name to signal a fresh start. But honestly, Element just fits. What do you guys think? Drop a comment if Honda should stick with the iconic Element name. So what does a potential Element revival mean for Irrational Diversions? For Honda, it fills a unique niche. It would be a bold move, proving they're still willing to innovate. For us, the Civic enthusiasts, a new element means more cool Honda tech to talk about. Whether it's the hybrid system or new aftermarket mods, the modding potential would be huge. That's something we'd absolutely cover here. The evidence is compelling. Honda S patent filings and the cult following all point to one thing: the element might just be coming back, and it could be better than ever. Speaking of Honda, if you're curious about why I chose the naturally aspirated engine for my own car, check out my video next, buying a new Civic. The information on that 2.0-liter engine is directly relevant to what could power the new element. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Irrational Diversions for more Honda tech and D90. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.